Hello, my name is Eva Polikova. For those of you who don't know me, I am an executive coach for entrepreneurs and I help female service-based business owners build their businesses. Anyway, I made this video of something really cool I created. This is for those of you who are interested in building a membership portal or selling an online course in addition to your offering, or you just want to get your creative juices flowing and think about what's possible. So I built this super awesome funnel that I want to show you. It's a 4-step funnel I did in Kajabi, and I want to walk you through it so you have an idea of what funnel building in Kajabi looks like. All right, so this funnel I'm using to promote a $59 a month membership portal where I provide people with video training as well as they get a physical copy of a business building workbook every month where they get step-by-step, click-by-click screenshots and things like that. It shows them how to build their business. So anyway, this video, I'm going to show you the pipeline about how I'm promoting this. All right. So every promotion always starts with what's called a lead magnet, which is a downloadable asset that we give people in exchange for their email address. All right, so I chose to use a discovery call script as a lead magnet. I'm also testing a couple other ones to see which one converts better. And so the first page is the landing page just for somebody to download the lead magnet. It doesn't do anything else. It doesn't have a menu, nothing like that. It just has people do one thing and one thing only, which is download their lead magnet. So you see I created a little banner here with white background here, a little image here. It took me about 5 minutes in Canva. A checklist of what they'll get out of consuming this PDF, which is my favorite discovery call script. And then they click the download button. It asks them for first name and email. And then once they give it, it takes them through to the next page. The next page, super cool. So you would expect that to be a thank you for downloading page or something like that. Actually, it's a sales page. It says your script will arrive in 10 minutes. Now, I want you to watch this video and see how you can get access to a full-blown discovery call training course. Right, so I'm giving that to them as a gift for joining me inside the $59 a month membership portal, which by the way is a free trial. So it's pretty easy decision for somebody to enroll, right? And then there's a video of me talking about it here, a call to action button, description of what's included, testimonial thing, another call to action, and then a whole bunch of little banners that I created and text describing the benefits and the bonuses that we'll get if they join today. Plus, what happens if they prepay for the whole year? They're going to get a discount for paid in full and an additional training and so on and so forth, right? So let's say they decided to go for it, right? Which statistically tends to be just a small percentage. But then you still have the option to send them a bunch of nurture emails, right? And those are set up automatically in Kajabi too. Let's see if I can show you. Oh, here's the backend. So Kajabi will automatically send them emails to those people who did not join the membership course, but they did download the lead magnet. Then I'm going to get a set of automated emails. And Kajabi already has templates for those too, so I just have to go in and edit those. Anyway, so back to the sales page. Let's say you decide to check out and you click this join the membership button. Then that takes you to a sales page. Super easy to set up in Kajabi as well. It asks for credit card information and for them to create access to their membership portal, so the password for it, then shipping address for their business building kits that I'm going to be shipping them, and the credit card information, and then they check out, they complete their order, and that takes them then to congratulations on joining the course or joining the membership, right? So this is kind of like a final thank you page where I put the next steps, which is super important when we do something like that. right? To let them know they didn't just buy something and now they have no idea what's next. So this is a little bit of an onboarding page too, right? So it's a video of me talking about what they should expect, what they should do next. They'll get the login information. I'll be getting their first packet, so on and so forth. So anyway, that's the 4-step pipeline. On the back end, it looks like this. Right, so let me click this. So in Kajabi, it's made super simple. They already pre-built some of these pipelines, and there's templates that you just have to go in and edit. And now I customize them quite a bit because I find my templates email convert a lot better than their templates, and those templates have to be on brand and all that. So I do have to do some customizing, and I create different banners and Canva and all that. But it's super cool, and I had a lot of fun with it. So this is it. The other things I have to do is finish, adjusting the emails, and then build a membership portal, which Kajabi has too. I just have to upload the videos that I've created into the membership portal, and make sure it's branded with my brand colors and things like that. I put some banners there, so it's going to be super simple. That might take me like a day to create. Right. So this whole thing took about a day to create. So super, super cool. Right? So at least you can see what's possible. And why I love Kajabi, it's not cheap. It's about $120 a month, but it saves me so much money paying for all these pieces that I would need anyway. I'd probably spend $300 if I had to pay for, something like ClickFunnels, and then website, and then a good email system, and then all of the other things that I would need to create all this, and payment system and all that. So it's super, super cool. It saves me a lot of money, it saves me a lot of time. So anyway, I hope this is helpful. If you're interested in creating a membership portal, or you don't even know what you want to create, you're like, okay, I don't know if I should start with that, or if I should do an online course, if I should do a signature program, if I should be speaking, if I should do workshops, retreats, whatever it is, you should definitely schedule a call with me. You can do that on my website. I'll post a link under this video, but you should go in and schedule an intro session with me. It's a blueprint building session where we'll look at what's right for you, what's right for your business based on what you know and where you are in your business. And we're going to build some action plan for you and what you need to do next. It's it's a bit of a strategy session. It's going to give you, the what to do next in your business. So anyway, I hope this is helpful, and I will see you in the next video, or we'll talk soon and map out your business.